Well, we spring forward this weekend, which means seasonal do's may be on the agenda.
Yep, Chrissy Van was out in Langley this week for some spring cleaning tips.
The birds are chirping, the flowers are starting to blossom, and that means spring is around the corner. And with the new season, spring cleaning is in order. I have Chris joining me from Centra Windows. What do you recommend when it comes to homeowners cleaning their windows? Because we know all the winter dirt and grime builds up.
It's a great question. It's something that comes up all the time. It's really simple, actually. Warm, soapy water. Don't overthink it. There's a lot of products on the market, but really the simplest solution is often the best.
And Chris, I understand when it comes to condensation on the windows, it's not all the same. There are some differentials depending on where it appears.
Yeah, that's right. Not only do you get condensation between the glass, but you can also get it on the inside surface. So not only the glass, but also particularly the old aluminum frame. That can be a real nuisance for homeowners in terms of cleaning. They can never maintain that cleanliness. So, again, the old warm soapy water does help with that. But again, if those issues persist, new windows can often help.
So it's normally an indicator that you may need a new window. What about when it's on the outside of the window?
So when it's actually on the outside, it's actually a good thing. This commonly comes when you do replace the window. So what's happening is that that moisture is condensating on the outside because the sealed unit is actually retaining more heat during the winter time.
And if you are looking to replace your windows, I understand the team at Centra would be happy to find what's suitable for the homeowner.
You bet. We've got many different options that will solve a lot of these issues.
And it's all about getting the friendly team in to get your personalized options for your home. Coming up through the morning, we're going to have the team from Centra Windows helping us with all our spring cleaning needs.
All right, thank you for that.